Hello again, students. Let's do the northern Vader. You can find geometric probability by taking the target area and divide by the total area. Yeah, we know. We've talked about it in class. So we're basically aiming at these circles that are inside a rectangle, and lucky for us, look at this. It says right here, if the total area of the rectangle is 2,000 and you randomly throw a dart, find all of these probabilities. Okay, cool. So basically we're going to divide by 2,000 every single time. So there's 3 of them. We're going to land in the yellow, land in the green, and landing in the purple. And it's like, wait, what, purple? Oh yeah, that's an easy one. There is no purple circle, so the probability of landing in it is 0%. That's pretty nice. Look at that. There you go. 1 down, 2 to go. Now let's land in the green. Let's attack the green here really quick. All right, so green information. Green, ooh, the diameter is 6.4. The green has a diameter of 6.4. And its radius would be half of that, so the radius would be 3.2. All right, so now what's the area of the circle? Area of the circle is pi r squared. Okay, so the area of the green, let's do area. Area of the green would be pi times 3.2 squared. So if I calculate that really quick, let's see what I get. I get pi, where's the pi button? There it is. Pi times 3.2 squared is a number. That number is, right here, I'll write it down. The area of this circle is about 32, isn't that nice? 0.17. Okay, we'll go to the hundredths place because we have to round our percent to the tenths place. So if we go 2 decimals deep, then we can be 1 decimal accurate after that. 31.17. Okay, so we got to go target over total. All right, so for the green, I'll do the green here really quick. So green, the area of the green is 32.17. That's the target. The total is 2,000. All right, so we'll divide that by 2,000. I get 0.0106. No, actually take it back. There's not an extra O in there. There's just 1/6. There we go, 0.016. Okay, so if we move the decimal over 2 places, that would be 1.6%. All right, so wow, you have a 1.6% chance of landing in the green circle. This is not to scale, so don't panic. I think there's a disclaimer, I think, in the question that it's not to scale. This is just for fun, not to scale. All right, so trying to do some circle stuff, and then I give you a nice total target as well. Okay, cool. So that's the green. We're working our way backwards. What about landing in the yellow? Ooh, the yellow. The yellow has a radius of 6.8, so there's really nothing else we need. Boom, there we go. So if they give you the radius, then you're good to go, but if they give you the diameter, you need to chop it in half, like I did right here, because the area is pi r squared, not pi diameter squared. So notice this right here. All right. Okay, yellow has a radius of 6.8. So I'm just going to type the whole thing out right here for yellow. We'll do yellow's work right here. So pi times 6.8 squared divided by the target. That was the target. The total is 2,000. So you could, if you want, you could do the whole thing in your calculator like so, and you can jump right to the decimal. So I'm going to do that really quick. So I'm going to go pi 6.8 squared, and then I'm going to divide by 2,000. And I get 0.0726. Ooh, okay, so if I round 2 decimal places, excuse me, if I move the decimal 2 places, I'm going to have to say 7 point, this 6 is going to make it the 2, 3. I got to round up in that case. So there's a 7.3% chance of landing on the yellow. Okay, cool. That's about it. There's not much else to do. I think what happens is I give you some combination of either one of the yellow or the red, where the radius is already given to you. Notice, radius, radius. Or I give you a green or a blue where you have the diameter. So make sure you chop the diameter in half before you plug it into the area of the circle formula. Okay, remember it's radius squared. Use pi or use 3.14. You should be pretty accurate. The best way to do it, honestly, is just to put the whole thing into one calculation, because there's the area of your circle, there's the total, target over total. You get right to the decimal, and then round carefully. Remember, the tenth of the percent is actually the 1/2 decimal place. 1/2 decimal place. So round carefully, students, and everything will be just fine. That's the Northern Vader.